Edinburgh. That's a bush. The capital city of Scotland. Whatever that means. It's a place populated by tourists and people who think that going to restaurants equates to a personality. Excellent. I'm up here on Calton Hill, which overlooks the city. It's a city bustling with characters and tourists. Don't get me wrong, I love this place. It's got shops, places to drink, and of course, places to eat. Tourists flock here to see the castle, the places to eat, and where Harry Potter lives. So what does it mean to be Scottish? I couldn't tell you. Scotland's famous for its whiskey. You can visit one of the many distilleries here, which basically equates to walking around a factory for an hour. Let's go a whiskey tasting. Why? Is it because you've got nothing else to talk about? That's correct. I always feel a certain amount of embarrassment or guilt when I go somewhere when I'm travelling and I don't speak the language. It's embarrassing and you feel guilty about it. I'm not bothered now. I've never done a travel vlog before, as you can probably tell already. So where am I going to be travelling to on this channel? Well, that's up to you. It's not really, it's up to me, but hopefully you enjoy it. I mean, if it's going to be like this, probably not, because it's just waffling. But we're going to do, I feel like Timothy Treadwell. If you've ever seen the documentary Grizzly Man, he was off his nut. Sadly ended in the way that it was obvious to everyone else that it was going to end, but he was cutting about in, was it Alaska? Pretending that he was friends with the bears. Obviously, the bears weren't aware of this, and they destroyed him, and he was devoured, obviously. So I have no idea where I am at the moment, but I had to stop and look at this. So I've come up to Perthshire to see the Yew, which is the oldest tree in Europe, 5,000 years old. I don't know how anyone knows that. Did someone go around and check every tree? I don't know, I'm not a botanist or a tree surgeon. I don't know if I'm saying that right, Fortingal or Fortingal. I don't know, but apparently it's rooted in history. Let's go and have a look. Up ahead stands Fortingal's oldest resident, a 5,000-year-old yew tree. Imagine those who have passed this way before. Stone Age man, Bronze Age man, Bronze. Reindeer, boar and wolf, Picts, Scots, Roman legions, Christians, oh dear, warriors, explorers, scholars, kings and queens. worshippers through the ages, and you for the Yew Tree. Let's have a look. This is the yew. The yew, not to be confused with the view, which is an American. Oh, you can't get in, look. How much is it to take the padlock off? It's a tenner each. Yeah, I'll just look through the gate. That's you. Can't read that. Not got eagle vision. So here's the history of the yew tree. Before you stands Europe's and possibly even the world's oldest living thing. Under the dark veil of needles are two relic trunks of a huge ancient yew tree. Scholars believe the roots of this great survivor coil back some 5,000 years. Not a lot to do here, apart from the yew tree. I'll probably have to put quite a scathing review on Yelp. I thought I'd be able to get a sandwich, or at least I thought it would be some kind of water slides or something, but there you go, that's the yew. So I'm going to try and find Jurassic Grill. Don't quite get where the name comes from. Doesn't rhyme with park. Jurassic Grill. Should it not be Jurassic Deck? This is the bonny banks of Loch Lomond. Loch. Absolutely incredible. Water. With what looks like pedalos. Nobody's using them. Can I zoom in? Can I zoom in? Look at that, pedalos. Wow, that zoom's powerful. What a powerful zoom that is. Sea life, Loch Lomond. Oh my God. Closed Christmas and Boxing Day, wow. It's a shame, that is a shame. I've got no facts about Loch Lomond because I've not looked any up, but it's not the biggest loch in Scotland. That's Loch Ness, or it's the deepest. I don't know. Does it matter? It looks nice. This looks nice. So let's go and try Jurassic Grill if I can find the entrance. I think it's this way. There's also a place called Jurassic Ice. Neither grill or ice rhyme with park or world. So, and I don't know why. I don't know what dinosaurs have got to do with Scotland. The only thing I can think of is the Loch Ness Monster. So I found the entrance. To Jurassic Grill. Good sound effects. Jesus. So let's go and check out Jurassic Grill. Step back in time, Jurassic Ice. Sound effects are loud. Jurassic Grill. That's that one that shot stinging hot oil into Dennis Nedry's eyes in Jurassic Park. Raptor. So this is my burger at Jurassic Grill. Very basic. Like a school dinner kind of thing. So that was Jurassic Grill. If I had to rate the food in one word, I would say edible. But the staff were lovely. At one point a woman came across with a big puppet of a raptor. I didn't really know how to react. Maybe she thought I was severely autistic instead of just moderately autistic. And there's the caterpillar. In America, you've got Disney World. In Scotland, we've got happy caterpillar. As you can see, it's just wrapped up in bits of plastic, and I don't know what this is. It looks fucking dangerous. Smile for the camera. No thanks. Let's go. So I've come to Ayr in South Ayrshire, just as a little pilgrimage. This is where I went to university. So I thought I'd come back and have a look at it and see what it's like now. This is my camera, which I'm still learning how to use. So there's a lot of footage in this video that's overexposed because I didn't know what the fuck I was doing, but I'm learning. And I also nearly killed my drone, as I'll show you in this shot. So yeah, nearly utterly destroyed the drone. And the other day it got attacked by ducks. So let's go and have a look at Ayr. Ayr's a lot nicer than I remember it. I've not been into the town centre yet, so. Beach is down here. So we're gonna have a look at Ayr Beach. This is the Scottish Riviera, Ayr Beach. It's where you come for suntan, an ice cream, and a hot dog. Beautiful. Golden Disc Fun Centre. I doubt it.
Number 1 is your winner. It's your best.
So that was the fun centre. Looked like there was fun being had. It's not my kind of fun. So as I'm walking through Ayr, there's a lot of places that are just closed down. The Kyle, I'm sure that was called the Kyle Centre. That's gone, whatever that was. Subway's still there, obviously. Tap, like everywhere else, tap. Shite jewellery. Burger King, obviously. Iceland, gotta have an Iceland. So why do I want to leave this beautiful place? Well, I've had enough. So what does it truly mean to love your country? Is it loyalty, sacrifice, pride? Maybe it's a bit like loving a person, seeing their flaws, their history, and still choosing them. And to quote a astute, tattooed lawyer. It's so brave to love. And it's only brave because it's scary. If you're not scared, it's not brave. It's only brave because it's terrifying. It's terrifying to know this thing is going to break my heart. And I'm going to let it. And I wouldn't trade that for anything in the world. And the world's a big place. So let's go and see the rest of it.